Guys, Andrew, County Line Adventures. We're doing our prime rib with salt, pepper, butter, rosemary, a secret, thyme on the onion bed. The thyme's laying on there in the cast iron skillet. We're going to put it in there for 20 minutes at 460 degrees. Then we're going to pull it out, reduce it, and I think we're going to go for a medium well. I'll verify with Markia, but it looks really good. I'm excited about it. It's the first one I've ever done, so we'll see how it turns out. Merry Christmas, y'all. All right, we're at 20 minutes at 460. Then we're going to pull it out, rub some more butter on it. The garlic and butter. Now I forgot to add the garlic too until we just chop it up. So it's looking good. All right, so we got it out with our garlic butter. I already forgot the temperature. We're going to stick it back in at 250 until it gets to, I have to look it up, it was either 121 or 131, so we can get up to medium. Then you pull it out and it's going to rise 7 to 10 degrees. So looks awesome. I pulled it out to check the temperature. I'm going to put some more butter on it, some brine, and let's see what we're looking at.
Yeah, I don't know about right now.
116. So gonna get up to 127, so it goes up to 135. So I will get back in there. Got it pulled. Looking for 127 for medium. This is gonna come up to 135 once we lightly put some aluminum foil on there and let it sit for about 20 minutes before we eat it. Looks like it's gonna be awesome. All right, it's rested 20 minutes. And it looks fantastic. So I went with medium, is what Marquis wanted. So you're gonna have to bear with me. I've never done this before. You can cut these ribs off. It looked like I was watching the USDA guys. I think that one's there. You might only have 2. Hold on. I think if you run down here, slide all over the place. Hold on. I think you can basically slide those ribs right off. I just washed this tape. Can you hold on to that, Liv? There we go. Making it work.
That with your piece.
Hold on. It's your fingers. Trying to cut along these bones. It should have come off. Right there. Okay, move in here. Okay, so I cut those ribs off. So we'll slice those. We only got 2 of them, and then we'll just slice this.
Patty.
Right along here.
I just want to ask this. I want to help you cut that.
You just keep holding what you're holding right there. You're doing a fantastic job. There we go, Drew. You get a good look at it.
You do not deal jockey from me. I know cut any.
Looks pretty delicious.
Can I
Well, the cameraman wants to try some. Here. Oh, how many slices are we gonna?
I thought we the one.
Yeah, cameraman get some. What do you think? Here.
Pretty good. I like it.
Daddy, I want that thingy. I do.
Very good. Merry Christmas from County Line Adventures.
Merry Christmas, Santa Claus.
And we're gonna eat our prime rib. Got anything to say to him, Judah?
It's some good meat.
Get some good meat. All right, guys, just like and subscribe. Help out the channel. We appreciate all of you watching, all the support you showed us in 2022. And 2023, we're going to hit the ground running.
And Perry, no, not Perry.
And have a great year.